Hello everyone, welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. In this video, we'll talk about how to update PHP version in WordPress website. At times when we are using a WordPress website since long, there is a possibility that the version changes because the regular update keeps coming in, and due to that many plugins and WordPress itself keep updating itself due to some security reasons, and there are some functionality additions also. So due to this, we see this kind of error, something like your site is running on an outdated version. Now in our case, it is requesting us to update it to 7.2.34 or above. Let us now update the PHP version in a WordPress website. We can simply set it to the recommended one, which is 7.4, to make sure that all the plugins and everything in the WordPress website works perfectly fine. We will do this PHP upgrade to 7.4 or higher using cpanel. You need to have login credentials for your hosting account. In our case, we are using cpanel, so I'll be using theirs. So most of the panels, whether you are using cpanel or Plesk, they have various versions of PHP integrated. So depending upon what version of WordPress you're using and plugin you're using, you can upgrade or downgrade the PHP versions. In our case, it is upgrade because we were getting this error and recommendation also. So the version we need to upgrade is 7.4, so or higher. To make this change, you have to scroll down a little bit in the cpanel and find this link, multi PHP manager. Click on it, and once you land here, it will allow you to choose the PHP version that you want. In our case, it is PHP 7.4. This is the one that we are looking for. It is see, PHP version. Just select the PHP version here and select the domain that you want. If you scroll down, it will be available right here. This is the domain that we want. You make sure this checkbox is checked. Click on the apply button. It will take some time and give a message that the website is now updated to PHP version 4. All we have to do is we have to log out from the panel and log in again, and we will see the PHP version upgrade. So as you can see, the recommendation is now gone, and all the website plugins will, or maybe they should work fine, because it is possible that some other plugins also require an upgrade. If just make sure that whenever you are upgrading any of the versions or any of the database thing, you or maybe some plugin upgrade, make sure that you have the backup of your website to ensure that in case something goes wrong, you can reload the website or reactivate all the services, so that you don't waste time in recreating the website from scratch. So thank you very much guys from my side, and do click on the subscribe button, because then only I'll be able to make more videos for you, some informative video. Thank you very much.